Who are we? You may have seen us before. Our story begins with what it truly means to be a pleb miner and technology innovator. We were able to scale our home mining to industrial-scale farms with in-house manufacturing. We are strategically located in Houston, Texas, from where we continuously communicate and support our clients. Together, we create amazing technology that unlock access to stranded energy, reduce cost per miner spot, and make mining affordable and profitable. We bring reliability and innovation with the products and services we create. We are Aiproenergy.